Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a custom header pattern in WordPress, step by step, style. Whether you want a unique logo layout, a special menu design, or just a header that stands out, this guide will make it super easy. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and go to your WordPress site. Click the login button, usually in the top right corner. For a faster and more secure login, I recommend using Continue with Google. Just select the Google account linked to your WordPress site and you're in. No password hassles, no delays. Once logged in, find the Edit Site option under your quick links. This opens the site editor, a no-code interface where you can customize your website design effortlessly. It's super user-friendly and perfect for creating your own header patterns. Next, click on your header element. It might have your site title, menu, or logo. When you click it, you'll see editing tools appear. Look for the settings icons to get more control over layout, spacing, and style. This is where you make your header truly yours. Now for the exciting part. Click the three dots in the navigation bar and select Create Pattern. Give your pattern a clear, descriptive name so you can easily find it later. This step is what makes your header reusable and consistent across your site. Finally, click Add to apply your custom header pattern. Instantly, your site will showcase your new design, giving it a polished and professional look. And the best part, you can reuse this pattern anywhere on your site whenever you want. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom header pattern in WordPress. Now, your website can look unique, stylish, and professional, all without touching a single line of code. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.